Hi. Cold extract coffee maker project 3. So far, in 1, I got glue clogging up my orifice. In 2, it appears I've got my my glue clogging up my orifice. That, well, I'm going to check, with my microscope and see if the hole is still open. If there isn't glue in the orifice and it isn't dripping, 50 micron may be a little too small. It may be too small, let water go drip. Maybe the surface tension. Anyway, I'm gonna wash this baby with acetone, check it. I may have to buy some tooling, because if I recall correctly, that liquid tape I was using the second try at this, its main solvent is toluene. Oh well, back to the 1960s and Revell plastic marble cement. That's what I'll be remembering when I crack open that bottle of toluene and the vapor wafts up to my olfactory receptor. Revell marble cement.